Hi, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. I'm on the Eggersman stand at IFAT in Munich. I'm with Mr. Eggersman. Yes. Mr. Eggersman, can you tell us about the company?
Yes, I want to say we are a plant construction company with three different parts of our company. One part is to produce completely plants, and the next part is we have a company BRT for the key machines, and the third and very important is the Backhus company, and he is in the American market and around the world with a good business working.
So the three companies that make up Eggersman, you have Backhus, who supplies composting technology,
yes.
BRT, who does recycling equipment, and Eggersman itself, who can construct and design overall facilities from start to finish.
Yes. And for us, this is very important to show all our customer that our things that we know is from the operating, from the planning, and from the production. All things comes from our house, in-house, and so we can. We are a company. We can say all the things that we want to sell. We know everything about it.
It's a one-stop shop, and I understand you've got a new machine that you brought out at this show. Should we go and take a look at that?
Yes, okay.
So I'm outside with Robert now. Robert's going to tell us about Backhus' new windrow turning machine.
So behind us here we have the 2155, which is essentially our newest development in the mobile machines sector, the mobile machines wing of the Eggersman Group. Here we focus really on gaining the maximum out of the organic waste that our customers compost. So composting, as you know, is the process of turning organic waste into something valuable, fertilizer grade, soil amendment, compost. Many of our customers use this in the plantation area, where they have tons and tons and tons of organic waste every hour. So this machine back here is actually a 5.5 meter working width. That rotor, the black rotor that you can see underneath the bridge, is actually what turns the matter up and tosses it up in the air. Because, as you may know, the aerobic bacteria, the aerobic organisms that promote, that actually do the composting process, they need oxygen. And so really what we're doing with these highly engineered machines is aiding Mother Nature and doing what she would do anyway, which is bacteria's degrading matter into something useful. So we can have a look at this brand new machine a lot closer, but one thing that we can really see from here is that it's a new design. It's an extremely robust machine that we can use in any type of setting all around the world. At the same time, it's loaded with electronic features, with an in-house developed electronic system, which we love. And it comes optionally with a track drive, which you can see on the machine back here now, or indeed a wheel drive, depending on the setting that it will actually be running in. So if we have a closer look at the cockpit, I can show you a few of the features. So what we see here is one of the key features of the new 2155, and that's its full panoramic cabin. So our aim here with this feature was to give the operator the optimum comfort and driving experience, operating experience, of course to promote safety. So it's a fully climatized, air-conditioned cabin, 360-degree view, save a few pillars. He's got all of the controls really right within his grip. There's filtering, he's got the touchscreen right next to him. So really, this leads to a much more enriching operating experience and therefore more safety on site. So here we are essentially in the business end of the Backhus 2155. So we've got the 5.5 meter width here. Here the matter is pulled into the machine and thrown over it by this huge rotor, hydraulically driven rotor. So we have a 5.5 meter width, 2.5 meter height virtually, allowing this machine to process an amazing 4,000 cubic meters per hour of organic matter under ideal circumstances, but it's top. Here we are in the engine enclosure of the 2155, something that we're particularly proud of. So it houses a engine up to 320 horsepower, diesel engine, powering a hydraulic system that does everything from drive the lifts, drive the rotor, and drive the wheels or chain drive, depending on which variant you've chosen. All of this while adhering to the most stringent European emissions control norms that exist, the Euro 4.
So now I'm with Olaf from BRT, and Olaf's going to explain the new bag opening machine you've got behind us.
Yeah, for sure. This is a new bag opener, so it's the first time that we put the BRT bag opener on a trailer, and we have produced about 450 machines of bag openers. So that means waste is collected in bags, and you have to open the bags first before starting sorting processes. And we are market leader with the bag opener, and now it's the first time that we put it on a trailer, and we can show you in detail some of the things which are really interesting there. So we just need, in this aggregate which you see here, we just need about 8 liters of diesel of petrol for this kind of machine, and we have a huge bunker there, and afterwards there's a nice drum which open in a patented version the bags of waste.
Well, should we go and take a look at some of the inner workings?
Yeah, for sure we can do. We are standing now within the bag opener, and you see the moving floor and the special designed drum in a patented solution. You see that there are ring segments, and the ring segments are working after each other, so always twice of them. And then you see, okay, afterwards is the channel with the clamping arms, and all the material has to go over the drum and will be opened, all the bags there between the drum and the clamping arms. The capacity of this machine is about 24 tons per hour. So this is really for a drive of 24 hours drive each day.
So obviously this is the engine bay. Can you tell us what's going on here?
Yeah, for sure. This is the engine, you're right with that. So this is the engine, and just need about 8 liters per hour. In comparison with mobile shredder devices, it's much more less, because mobile shredders are using about 50 to 60 liters per hour. So it's energy saving, and it's very convenient to use it.
Great. And where can our readers find out more about this machine?
So if you want to read more about these machines, you please visit our website www.brt.info.
It's been great talking to you. Thanks for your time, Olaf.
Thank you very much for the visit. Keep in touch. Thank you.